What's up guys, Sammy here, and today I've got a review of the iFixit 64-bit driver kit, also known as the iFixit Mako driver kit. The iFixit 64-bit driver kit provides an assortment of standard bits, security bits, and specialty bits, which should be able to help you tackle any task. Whether that be disassembling, repairing, or assembling smartphones, laptops, desktops, the list goes on. Straight off the bat, you'll find it's easy to open magnetized case, which provides a strong foam insert to help you store all of your bits, an aluminium precision screwdriver handle, and a 150mm flexible extension is included as well. The lid of the case can also be used as a sorting tray. My only wish with this is that the sorting tray could also be magnetic to keep screws in place, but its sorting functionality is a nice thing to have nonetheless. I personally was impressed with the case construction, strong foam insert, and magnetic case design, which gives you the impression that iFixit had quality in mind when building this driver kit. Next up, I was really impressed with its aluminium precision screwdriver handle. I also like the knurled grips, which help you to tighten screws and provide a good amount of torque. Its magnetic bit holder helps with tiny screws, and its smooth swivel cap, which lets you keep the driver turning. You'll also find a 150mm flexible extension, which lets you get to those tricky spots. I can see this being really useful for car interior tasks, for example. Last but not certainly least, we have those 64-bit 4mm screwdriver bits, and going off the list, we have quite a few for any type of task, from Phillips to flathead, Torx, hex, game bit, and even a sim eject bit, which I could see myself using. It's clear that the iFixit 64-bit driver kit has quality built in mind, and it's comforting to know that it's backed by iFixit's lifetime warranty. Already in the last day of using this driver kit, I've had no issues, and it's been a joy to use. I can definitely, without a doubt, recommend the iFixit 64-bit driver kit. But yeah, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Please note that all the opinions in this video are my own. I purchased this for myself, and nobody saw the video before it was published. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please click that like button, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.